Hello and welcome to Professional English Bonus Module. This module deals with aspects of business etiquette. First, we talk about the etiquette that was covered in previous modules, then extend our knowledge by going over other situations that require us to do certain things to save us from embarrassment or demonstrate respect for others. By the time you finish this module, you should be able to use business etiquette in multiple situations like a professional. There are 3 lessons in this module. In the first lesson, you will watch a video of 2 colleagues talking about business etiquette they learned in a recent course they took. You will also practice using some key words and phrases in relation to the discussion. In the second lesson, you will watch a lecture by an author as she talks about some lesser-known elements of business etiquette. In the third lesson, the same author continues her talk and you are able to learn how to use more business etiquette in everyday business situations.